Another quick note we should make concerns quadrantial angles. Quadrantial angles are angles that fall at any of the major positions along the horizontal or vertical axes, and we usually associate these with our coordinates on the unit circle in order to get their values. So to show you what I mean, let's talk about, for example, the angle 0 radians or 0 degrees, right? At 0 radians, what could we say? Well, at the angle 0 radians, we can say that the sine is 0 and the cosine is 1. You can down here. You can see that what's happening right here is that the x-coordinate is giving us our trigonometric function cosine. The y-coordinate is giving us our trigonometric function sine. So if we associate sine with y and cosine with x, tangent is the as defined by the ratio identity as sine over cosine. We could also say that is y divided by x, and tangent of 0 then would also be 0. If we go to the next major position right here, pi over 2, we can say a really similar thing. Right? For pi over 2, what's going to happen is that the x-coordinate, that will be 0, the y-coordinate, that will be 1. If it's sine over cosine, y over x, in this case, is equal to 1 over 0, and that's undefined. Now, I point these out because this is actually kind of important to us. When we're dealing with things like sine, cosine, tangent, we want to be able to go back to some of what we know right here. Now, it turns out that anytime we're on the horizontal axis, like, for example, at pi, which is the next one right here, we see that we have cosine is -1. But sine is 0. That's kind of like our sine of pi is 0, just like sine of 0 was 0. And tangent of pi will also be 0. And let's note one more here, and that is at 3 pi over 2, we're at the point 0, -1. So sine is -1, and cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0, but this time tangent of 3 pi over 2 is undefined because it's at a vertical position on one of the vertical axes. Finally, we can look at our sine, cosine, and tangent of 2 pi, where 2 pi is right over here at 1 full unit. And we're back to what happens at 0. So our quadrantial angles, we want to know our sine, cosine, and tangent of these values.